package download is for this.
Package అని కాదు. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ రియాక్ట్ సెటప్ చేసుకోవాలి. దాని తర్వాత మీకు కావాల్సిన వాటిని ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. లైక్ హౌ యూ for example, if you're using an Android phone, if you need any kind of applications, we go to Play Store and you can download, right? Same way, if you want any JavaScript library, you go to npmjs.com and you can install. So those kind of things. And not only in React, that is for every like for Node, for Angular, for Vue.js, for all JavaScript libraries, even in Python. For Python, if you want to install something, you will go to pip Python package indexing.
JavaScript
npmjs.com. Yeah, today topic need to talk about table. Generally, when you are talking about tables, you will get idea like this, right? Yeah, you will think like this. Absolutely, rows and columns. And you will expect some headings, and rest of the rows are records, right? In that way, you will get some records. But in table, there is no columns. In HTML table topic, there is no columns. Okay, so how we have to frame that table? So first, I'm going to take a table and can you take rows? Row 1, row 2, like that. Okay, row 3. So every first to frame this, you need a tag name called what? Table. This is table tag to frame table. And for single row, what is that? Table. Table row. And you need headings, right? For headings, I need one heading. That is for that inside this table row, because one table row indicates or use it for one table, one particular row. This for one row, for this one table row, for this one table row, and in this we have taken th. Again I'm taking th. Again I'm taking th. Okay, and later you want data, right? For heading we used th. And after that I want table data. So in the second table row, try to place your table. And same way. Same way. Okay. Same to same. Now it looks like columns, right? There is no columns, but it looks like column. Yeah. A table having table rows inside. If you want heading, there is th. If you want data, you have td. Okay. Table data. So go and implement this first. Later we'll come back again and we'll discuss new topics. Table tr, and yeah, initially I'm not giving headings. I just want to go with the table data. td, yeah, id, name, maybe age. Okay. So then you can copy paste the rest of the rows. Yeah, 1, 2, a, 12, b, 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 14. Okay. To run this, come, go live. You can see this. There is no border because you are not given. So if you see, it looks like a table. Okay. So if you want border, you can give border 1 pixel. So what exactly happened?
Double.
Yeah. Why? Yeah. That border applied to your table as well as it's applied to your TD also. The border applied to the table as well as to the TD. So yeah, anyway, I'm trying to apply width. Okay, 100%. Yeah, 100% means what? Yeah, it's occupied 100% width. Okay, just click on save. You can see. Yeah, I used table data, right? But I want some heading. It also looks like normal.
Screen is not visible. Excuse me. Screen is not visible, sir, actually.
You can see my screen, right?
Yeah, now it's.
Okay, so guys, yeah, I'm using table rows and inside I'm using table data as well as table heading. So I have taken all TDs. Now you can see the output. It comes like this. I given 100% width and all are TDs. So it comes like this. So what is my interest? I want to apply this as table heading. So instead of TD, I will take TH because TH use it for can see TH is not like TD. It's occupied in the center, means aligned in the center, and it comes with the thick, bold content, bold text. Okay, so this is normal TD, and these are TH. Okay, yeah, but you can see about the border. Border applied to table, and border applied to TH as well as border applied to TD. Okay, so but tables look like this, no? Like you can see, yeah, it comes like this. It comes like this. Here you can see it's generally you are getting two borders, but I want border like this, like this. For this, we need to apply CSS. Okay, so yeah, in in the next few classes we are going to start CSS, but try to understand. I'm going to tell you only one CSS property: table comma th comma ed, because border applied to these three, right? Here you can write border collapse, collapse. Okay, means I'm going to collapse the border. Yeah, now it comes like this. Okay, so we applied border 1 pixel. This is applied to table th as well as td. So table th td, and I applied border collapse, collapse. Now you are getting single line. Okay, and I applied 100% width. Yeah, it is occupied 100% width. And then what happened? I used th for the headings. So it comes in the center and comes with the bold. Okay, and yeah, TDs, it is comes normal text and aligned at the left. Clear? Yeah, this is about basic table. Okay, so when you want single line with the border, try to apply border 1 pixel and apply some styles. Don't worry about the CSS. I'm going to tell you in the next classes. So just to take style and inside table th td, that is border collapse, collapse. Now you get the single line. Okay. So next, I will take table 2. I take table. Yeah. I'm applying border 1 pixel. And maybe I'm applying width 100%. Maybe you can give 50% also. If you apply 50%, it will come off, off the page. And try to apply table comma th comma td border collapse, collapse. Okay, so of course I start with this and then go live. Nothing happened because there is no data. So what is my interest? just going to apply this. So here I'm going to give ID, name, and unit, one, and unit 2 marks. Okay, unit 1 and unit 2 marks. Because I just want to assign one cell. Okay, here I want to assign one cell, and in below I'm going to take two different data. Okay, new record, when you're inserting new record, that is 1, then AAA, and coming to this one. See, 78 in the number 1 and 89 the second. Okay, you have to show the data like this. This next record. Like this. Don't worry about the functionality, how to sum it, how to show the sum of these two numbers. This is not our job. There is no functionality. We are talking about the design. Only design. Functional topic is different. That when you are going with the JavaScript, React, maybe backend, then you will talk about the functionality. But when you are talking about HTML, CSS, you will talk about design. That's good. So first, talk about the first row. Remember, you have to think about row always. So we need to talk about the first row. Absolutely. First row headings. TH and first one ID. Name. So unit 1 and unit 2 marks. Okay. Yeah. Go to your output. Clear? Fine. Next. Second row, we will expect table date, cell. Inside, we can expect table data. You just give a name, and I just take in some marks like 78 and 89. Now see what will happen in the output. This is happening. Okay, so you can see extra cell allocated in the table row 1. In the first row, extra cell allocated. So we need one table H or one table data. This particular cell allocated for 2 cells. Okay, so you have to tell to this particular cell to occupy. Is it these two are rows or columns? Columns. So you have to tell to this cell, you have to occupy 2 cells of space, 2 column space, 2 column span. Okay, so you can go to this particular cell, call span 2, because you want to tell it to allocate as 2. That's it. Okay, now table row. Automatically it will align because yeah, this is the there is a problem. You solve the problem automatically it comes like this. And yeah, the same way. Same issue. Then it's okay. This one. Here is the marks. What is this? Yeah, we'll apply row span. Okay. And same way, there is ID, name, and marks. ID 1 and name AAA and marks. Yeah, like this. So we'll apply row span 2 to this. For example, if you have 3 marks, you have to
Row
give
span
3. That's good. Okay, I will take table 3. So can you tell me the syntax? What I have to do first? This one. First I'm going to take TR. Okay? Yeah. Tell me that. TR. Maybe there are 2 records. There are 2 records. 2. Like this. Yeah, this is a whole table. Yeah, tell me the syntax. Table row. T, TT, TD. This heading no. You have to give TH. ID. Next. Absolutely. TD. 1. TD. And then good. Table row. TH. You have to give name. TD. And you don't know the data. AABB. Right? So every time you have to analyze with table rows. Then only you get the exactly output. Yeah, first go and see the output. What is exactly happening? See? Right? ID 1 2, name AAA, BBD. 2 completed. Then these 2. Okay? Take table row. TH marks. Then row span 2. Next. Next. TD. Some 56, right? And again TD. something is missing, right? Yeah, so see, how many rows?
3 rows.
4.
4 rows.
4 rows. Actually, we need 4 rows, but there is no row for this. That's why you applied for row span. So initially, don't apply row span. Cut this and place that into new table row. Okay. So the problem is what? Yeah, extra cell here because it is aligned here. So tell to the marks to occupy another cell also. So now go here, row span, to then it will. Okay. So yeah, I'm telling you every time the same point. Row is important. Okay. So then you can play with the call span and row span. Using them, you can place the things. Okay. Yeah. So very simple as of now what we discussed. Very simple table row, and we have rows. Inside we have headings, that is th. Inside we have table data, and to apply border, we apply border and width. You can give your number like 100%, 50%, that's up to you. And then try to use CSS to collapse the border. And next, if you want to tell to your cell to occupy horizontal space, then you have to tell call span. If you want to occupy vertical space, then you can apply row span. Okay, so here I applied call span, here I applied row span. So finally I got this output. Yeah, I will give you some table and yeah, this one. They are not used border collapse, but you just try to use border collapse. See how many table rows you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And TD, my TH, UH, these are all things. So how many columns? 1, 9 columns. And
9.
11. So here, for this cell, what you have to apply? Row span. How much?
Row span.
Row span 5.
8.
Row span 5 because 1, 2, 3, 4,
No, 5. Yes.
Row span 5. For this, call span 3. Good. This one
3.
3 because 1, 2, 3. 3 span, right? Yeah. For this 3. For this 3. For this 3.
3.
Okay. Do one thing. For labs, apply call span 3. For library, apply 2. And fill with the scores, the extra cell. Okay. Lunch much day again?
7.
That is 12 to 12:40. So yeah, I will send this one. Take it as a remote. Someone asked me to create the template. For example, this. It's not this. Yeah. You can see, generally when you're creating templates, the top part, what is this? Header. And the bottom part? Footer. Okay, so the rest will be main content. Okay, but you can call it body of the template, you can call it. So, in olden days, now we are not creating templates using table, but uh, maybe 1990s to 2000, in that time frame, 1990s to 2000. So in that time frame, people used to create templates using table. So entire template, they just created, just now we created timetable, right? The same way, if they want this kind of template, not this much of rich template, but they created templates using tables. Okay? So for that case, people created or invented new tags name called T head, T body, T foot. Okay, for example, I will show you tables. It's one of the famous concept, data tables. Here you can see, yeah, this bottom one. You have name, position, office, etc. along with this. This come under table footer. This top one come under table head. The rest of the content come under table body. Okay. So for example, if you don't have table foot, no problem. If there is no bottom content, don't worry. But if you want this name, position, office at the top, same way if you have bottom also. Why we need headings in the top as well as in the bottom?
More data, if we scroll down, we don't.
Yes. If you have more data, for example, I am showing 25 records in single frame. So in top you can see name, position, you can understand. Come down slowly. So there is no titles, no. So that's why people given titles in the bottom also. Okay. So these titles in the footer, these titles in the head. Okay. And the rest of the content table body. Okay. So this is not this one. Yeah. This is table head. T head. And the rest of the content
Body.
T body. There are tags. Okay. For this. And the last one. This is T food. Okay. So I'm going to do same thing. I will copy second one. So this particular row, cut this table row and place that into table head. Okay. And the rest of the records. Table body and cut this. T4. There is no difference in the output. You can't identify any difference in the output. The only difference is semantic. So you are writing code in the with the meaningful tags. Okay. See. Yeah, same. That is from 1990s to 2000. We handle with the table. 2002, 2010. People handle with divs. There is no HTML5. People handle elements using divs. For example, you want to write maybe navbar, they will use div. If you want to create footer, they will use div. For article, they will use div. In your template, you can find 1000 divs. For example, if you write 10,000 lines of code, if you write 10,000 lines of code, you can see at least 1,000 to 2,000 divs, because the entire template we will handle with the divs. So to avoid that, people invented semantic tags. Means what? Meaningful tags. Okay. Instead of for nav, instead of div, you can use nav tag directly. For header, people invented header tag. For footer, footer tag. For article, they invented article. For sidebar, they invented aside. Okay, so people invented meaningful tags. You can use meaningful tags. Okay, to what is the purpose of meaningful tags?
You can easily apply them and sort like blocks.
Yeah, of course, for readability purpose, good. But and same way, we are writing content for browser. So you are writing code for browser. Browser have to understand your code. So browsers can understand your code properly. One thing. Second, search engines. So 90% of 99% business runs on marketing, for marketing. By doing marketing, they will run their business. So when they created a website, they want to show that website to the people. So 99% of people go to the search engine to search the content. Okay? So if they will go to the Google, if they search for the content, if your website is shortlisted in that search results, then people will come to your website. Okay? There are two types of search results. One is organic, second one is paid. So people will pay amount to the Google to come on the top. And second, that is organic. So you no need to pay anything. It will come in the top of the search results. Okay? If you write advanced or latest code, then only it will give you respect to your website. If you use 1990s code, 2000 on that age or that time frame code, then search engines feel, when Google, maybe those kind of search engines feel this is a very old website. They are using very old technique, so no need to show their content on the top. So try to use latest code to come on the top. Not only this, there are so many reasons. This is one of them. So many means like 500 to 1000 reasons are there. This is one of them. Okay, so if you want to know about that, that is search engine optimization. People call it
Search engine optimization.
SEO. SEO, search engine optimization. This is part of digital marketing. You know digital marketing, right? Yeah, marketing in the internet, that is called digital marketing. So YouTubers, social media, influencer, so yeah, Instagram. So they're earning more than software engineer, no? Because if you have uh, uh, if you have a basic skill, with camera, with lighting, and basic editing skills, yeah, yeah. There even nowadays there is no content in the internet. So there are so many techniques to become popular. Okay, only one thing you need there.
Unique.
There is no unique. Hello friends. For hello friends, there is no need of content. Okay, so yeah, but if you want to long run, you need content. For example, if you know HTML, create videos on HTML. People will not see your videos, but yeah, long run, people will watch your videos. So if you want to become too much popular, of course, cringe. Yeah, you have to mention cringe. In that way, you have to popular, but that is not for survival. Okay, so market goes. But if you place your content properly, for example, in North, there are some YouTubers, even in Telugu also, but North people, like I think Dhruv Rate, so he made so many videos, and in Telugu, what is it? Some people, they are creating so much of content. So if you create wonderful content, then it will be popular. But same way, you can create websites also. Okay, websites called blogs. By creating blogs, by writing articles, yeah, without showing your face even, you can earn money like them. Even that is secret. So people don't know who is running that website. Okay, but you are creating articles, you are writing some articles. Don't copy paste. Okay, so don't copy paste. Yeah, write your own content. Take the help of AI tools. Take the help of, don't directly copy paste, but ask it. So, what do you want? It will generate for you, and you have to modify that. And then you can run blogs. And if you write proper um, code for that, okay, proper code, and it looks good, and with the responsive even. What is the meaning of responsive?
Devices, laptop and laptop.
Yeah, it fit for all the screens. You created one website. If you open that in the mobile, it comes different look and feel. If you open that in the desktop, it comes different look and feel.
Responsive.
Yeah. And I have one question here. one question. Why this cell occupied less width, and this also occupied less width. Coming to this, and this occupied taken lot of width, right? Why?
There's no padding.
No, there is no topic of padding. We are not discussed. But yeah, no problem. See, try to understand. Every cell is dependent upon other cell. If both are in the same column, if one column occupied so much of width, then other cell will occupy that much of width. Okay, so ID, it is occupied this much of space. So that all the column cells occupied same width. Okay, same way. Name, ID having only 2 characters, name having 4 characters. So it is occupied this much of width. So these two. Same way, these two cells. Okay. Why I am telling this point? Because in the last class we worked with the forms, right? Forms not aligned properly. So, for example, if your label having so many characters, then the text box
Expands.
we go to that particular one. Yeah, we can see this. So enter username and enter password having so many characters, and these two input elements started from the same point because same amount of characters. And coming to this one, this label having less amount of character than these two. So it started from here. If you place these all labels in particular column, and these input elements in the particular column, so it's automatically aligned properly, right? So we have to place our form into table. So then it will align properly, otherwise okay. So first table row.
Center, align center between rows.
Even align center also not aligned properly because see these two lines of content comes in the center, and these two also comes in the center.
The
So
box is not
no, this side will get extra space, left and right will get extra space. So if you want to align them properly, you need to use table. Okay, so this is one table row. Place this into table th and place this into table td, and coming to this th td, place this into th td, and automatically it will align properly. And this one change range, place in the th, this in the td. Next row, select color, input element, and these two buttons place in the another tr in one td. That's enough. Okay, so try to place this form into table, then it looks good. Otherwise I will tell you in the next class. Any other questions? Yeah, so we are going to complete the table in the next class and align the form, and we'll go to new topics like video, audio tags, etc. Okay. Check it, yes, bye.
Thanks, sir.